I hate this map.
It's fine. It's fine. We play.
Dude, but it's actually
hold
really
on.
good for
Are we
goats.
attack or defense? We're attack. Okay.
It's like good for goats, too.
This is where we can run standard goats if we want to.
Let's do normal goats.
This is really good.
Pure Lucio, everything. We just beat past everyone, kill everyone. And then Zarya Brig, right?
Yeah,
Zarya break.
that's how we finish it out.
This is just pure.
We lose the Bastion Pharah though.
And Hanzo. Hanzo can fuck this comp up pretty bad.
Hanzo
we
by
have no,
Hanzo Zarya fucks his comp up. Hanzo by himself can't do shit.
No, Hanzo has ranged damage. That's the reason he's bad. You swap out the Ana, so you have no range shields. You cut it out. I watched an entire video because this comp is just fuck up.
Trust me, a gold Hanzo's not gonna fuck this up.
Attack commences in 30
This your Junk's pretty, or Reaper's really good in this comp. But honestly, the only thing that beats goats is fucking counter goats.
False. Dive with Somber Doom beats goats. McCree Brig forces the goats engagement. Then we're regular goats, we get beat by Zen goats, and then which also gets beat by Ana goats. Because Ana denies her heals.
Sounds like a type of Pokemon or something like that, you know?
It is a
New
Pokemon matchup. Go low left,
They got
low
different
left,
types
low
of
left, low left.
goats
Honor Lucio, low
Pokemon,
left,
like
low
they got
left.
water goats.
Low
Game
left,
isn't
low
about to
left,
go
low
anymore.
left, low and left, low and left.
I didn't even know there was a low and left.
That's the point.
It's
Are
the
you
Lost
good?
and Found
Alright,
Vikings.
go through. Line first,
Speed,
line first, line
speed,
first.
speed,
Here's the boost,
speed.
here's the boost, here's the boost. In. Straight point.
Man, I'm in.
Straight
Soldier,
point,
soldier,
straight point. Left side, keep going. Point.
Right.
Here's the boost. On the Rhine. On the Rhine.
Sorry.
Rhine dice first.
Reaper behind.
Reaper one. They both, no bubble on Mercy. No bubble for Mercy. Mercy. Reaper. More point. More.
We're behind. Reaper on point.
Get more dice first. Kill the heals. Shield up, Rhine. Shield up.
How did we let this happen?
We didn't focus targets. And we let more, we have more was behind us.
I
Reset. Is everyone ready?
Guys, this is what I'm gonna do. These kids are garbage. These kids are pure garbage. So
Exactly. Play together.
Alright,
Wait.
get back here.
We have Shatter. Everyone play together.
Alright, click for you. Get back here.
They have,
Wait,
Are you up more? Are you good?
wait for Brig.
Just wait.
Is everyone together?
We
no, wait.
Low left again. We have Shatter.
Yeah.
Wait, no, bottom left.
Bottom left.
Speed boost, like not instantly, like a little one.
It's good. It'll be up time.
Tanks first.
Tanks first.
Right.
Around. No. Leave the Reaper alone. Rotate with Lucio. Honor Lucio.
Laser buff.
I need your Shatter on point, Ron. I need you to Shatter now.
Right here.
Here's your Shatter. Go. Rhine dice first. Here's the pure drop. No more ults.
I got Zarya.
Reaper.
Stun him. He's alive still.
Mercy's resting. Mercy. Damage on Mercy if you got
Wait
it.
for this all.
Reaper. Rhine. No ults. All on point.
Heals. Heals.
I'm on heals.
Nice.
Rhine, play corner. Rhine, Brig, play corner.
I'm gonna see if I can get a nutty bomb from up here.
No. Keep your bomb for when you have the remax.
Keep the bomb for what?
Keep your bomb for when you get D-max, so you can get your mech right back right away. There's a Pharah. Shield up, Ryan. Shield up.
I don't
Diva.
always do.
When
Wait,
Pharah
I
comes
can
closer, jump her. When Pharah comes closer, jump her.
Yo, that was soldier body.
See the soldier?
Yeah. Probably has his ult.
Boosting speed. Ryan, go aggressive. On Zarya.
Can you shatter the Ryan shield?
Go. On Ryan. Keep one on card. At least one on card.
Oh wow.
They counter shatter. Play back.
Dash.
I'm on heals. Bomb. Huge bomb. Ryan, shield up. Diva, kill the Ryan. Are you good?
Yeah, we gotta back out.
Is this reset or no?
Reset.
Okay.
Wait,
Why would you ult? Why?
Oh, I thought everybody else was there.
No, it's fine. If you can back out, did you die with your ult or no?
No, he used it.
Wait, who used ults?
Zarya.
I did. I thought everybody was there. I didn't know I was the only one there. I thought
Are we
everybody
ready?
else was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Honor Lucio. This way. With Lucio. Behind you, Reinhardt. Ryan, shield down. I got speed. Come down with me. We're going around.
Left. Where are you guys?
We're going around. We're hitting them from behind.
Well, he kind of gave up the surprise.
Here's a speed boost. Go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Just go. Go, 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 go. On them, from behind.
Right.
You're fine.
Charging Ryan.
On the heels, on the heels.
More.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
One more.
Matrix. Big shield. Get the Mercy. She's gonna res. Kill Mercy. Where's their Mercy?
Kill Zarya. Kill Zarya.
Stay on Zarya. I'm coming.
Get more.
Soldier, resting. Mercy.
Mercy.
Stun.
Kill
Mercy, stun.
the Mercy. Get Mercy.
Wow.
Mercy one.
They've out. Keep going. All on cart. Diva, you're fine. Moira, I need you on cart healing. Ryan, shield forward. That's Diva's gonna deal with the Pharah.
I'm keeping them away. That's all that matters. They're both focused. Who cares?
I'm gonna boost in. Big.
Hey, soldier on point.
I
Can you
boosted them all.
shatter
We cap.
Dude, I'm doing
We
nothing.
cap. We're fine. We cap. We won. They lost. We
Wait,
capped.
that might be huge.
No more bombs. No more ults.
Fair above.
Yeah, there's no ults.
No ults. Far and half. I have beat drop. Stay together. Oh, on the soldier. Diva, jump
right
soldier.
above.
Diva, jump soldier. Top right.
I'm out.
Boosting heals. No ults. Zarya. High charge. Kill
Yeah,
her.
get the
Zarya
Zarya.
dies first. Rush all your right side.
Heals. Give me heals.
Stunning.
Here's sound barrier. No one dies. Turn on soldier. Kill soldier. Ignore Pharah. All on cart. I need you on cart.
You got right. Soldier right.
Ryan, I'm coming for you. I'm on heals. Boosting Ryan's heals. Heals on Ryan. I want Ryan full HP now.
I'm stunning Ryan.
I'm on soldier.
What the fuck? Yo, dude, there's
Soldier behind.
Soldier behind.
Both their runs out.
Mercy on point.
there's 3 from behind us.
No, it's fine. We literally win by rushing into them so they can't do anything. Boosting heals. Kill Ryan. This Ryan dies.
Books, dude, you don't
Ryan dies first.
Just pull back.
CC him. Like, pull the fuck out of this Reinhardt.
Soldier's still behind.
Big fin. Bully Reinhardt. He's in the corner. Keep him in the corner. Keep Reinhardt in the corner.
Soldier's still behind. Somebody's fucking out.
He's fine. Diva. We win. We beat drop. They have nothing. Kill the Ryan.
Yes, I got soldier. Can I heals behind?
I'm pinned. Turn around. Ryan dies. He's solo. Ryan's by himself. Come back.
Heal me.
It's just more brick heals. More. You're
trying to do too much damage, bro. You just gotta focus on healing. Oh my god.
Back up.
Are we good? Fight lost. Dying back out. Fight lost. Dying back out. Get out if you can. If you can, get out. If not, just die.
Reset. Run.
Diva, are you safe? You're gonna get you at speed.
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, is everyone here? Wait for Zarya spawn.
Kinda just walked out.
Alright, see, we're gonna go the way Diva came in, okay? Wait for Diva's mech. The Diva
Oh,
farms the
yeah.
mech.
No. Diva should go die. Diva should go die somewhere.
Oh wait,
But I'm at 85,
no. Diva, go spawn and then switch back. And that way you can come back.
Oh, there's no point. I'm at 90. I got it.
Alright. We're gonna speed through. On us. On card. Straight card.
Right click.
Let's go.
Go. On Diva. Kill this Ryan. Ryan dies first.
Come on.
This Reinhardt dies first. Bully the fuck out of this Reinhardt.
Huge.
Big slam.
Be out.
Keep going. Diva, bomb center. Fly up and bomb center.
Soldier, he's ulting, focus.
Fly up and bomb center.
Oh, we got it.
We could have cleared that way cleaner.
Holy
That's
shit, that was
awesome,
crazy.
dude.
Well, one of them.
One of them either DC'd or got pissed.
They're getting tilted. Dude, that Ryan knows how to block a shatter though. He literally blocked like almost all my shatter.
That's why. Okay, so you swing, pull your shield up. You swing, you pull your shield up.
No,
You
I
swing,
kept
pull your
stunning him out
shield
of
up,
the
and
shield,
it
but he
boots him
got
to
Zarya
your
bubble.
left, and then you shatter.
Alright,
No goats defense.
No goats?
You can't goats defense. We have too long of a walk from spawn. This is where we
Wait,
bunker
so-
down. I'll play
You
Orisa.
want a mercy?
Let's get like a jump.
Hey,
or
we're not
something.
going goats?
We're not goatsing on defense
No.
because you have to move as a unit and it's too slow.
Junk soldier would be amazing.
Actually, dude, I can play a
I can
jump.
play junk or
Alright.
soldier.
And then I'll
Dude,
I'll
I
pick up
got
Anna.
so many good
Well,
jumps here.
wait,
Like, jump time, game rat.
I'm picking up Zen so we can just destroy their shield because if they are goats, Discord kills them. If they aren't goats, it's fine. We have trance.
Dude, I freaking
Is Reinhardt good for this, guys?
I
Yes,
booted
Ryan's
one of
fine.
them
Yeah,
offline.
yeah.
I need you right side of the statue.
Dude, I booted one of them offline. We're good.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to throw purple orbs like crazy, but just trying to take out the Pharah.
Understandable. Like if you ignore Pharah and you just like destroy her team below her, you can't do anything.
Yeah, she just kept fucking focusing.
Where are we
me the
going? Down
entire
there near
game.
the statue or up here?
We're near the statue. That way we can block both sides. That way because okay, so if we don't block statue, they just run through the mega where Moira is and we get fucked.
3.
So I need you
So like here.
right here, Ryan.
Are we
They're
playing
already
Ragnar
down
or
on player,
no?
guys. They're already down on player, just to let you guys know.
20, they're down Mora and I got 25.
Yeah,
Nice.
they only have 4
Get out, get out, get out, get out.
Pull
Moira,
back.
you have orb.
Guys, why so high up, guys? Play with the tank.
I got a kill, dog.
No. If Junk's throwing out a trap, it's fine. And we lose the Junk, he has a fast roll out. Discord on the Pharah for you, soldier.
No, just
Pharah's
chill
weak for
out,
you.
Pharah. I'm gonna hit her with
Pharah's
the
still
air
Discord for you, soldier. Reaper. I'm on the Reaper.
Wait, this is
Reaper, Discord. Pull back.
There's a Reaper.
Pull back.
I'm pinned.
Hey, Pharah, I'm dead.
Jojo, pull
Discord on
back.
Pharah. Pull back. They lost tanks. Reaper.
I got you.
Ryan. Fuck.
This
Yeah,
Pharah
that's the support's
is
on here.
destroying me.
Okay,
let's
okay. It's fine.
Yo,
Defending or no?
if you want,
We don't need
access
double hit
DPS.
scan, we
You
don't
want
need double
access
hit
DPS.
No, we're good. Double hit scan plus Zen.
Oh, there
Alright,
we
so we're
got
doing
it.
the first point then.
We're good.
Soldier, will you play on Pylon where Doom is?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait,
Ryan, play around the
just
corner.
wait.
Ryan, play around the corner so you have to take some shield
We'll
damage.
wait. Let's wait a second. I'm waiting.
Discord Pharah.
Light her up,
There's a
soldier.
mercy pocket.
Text.
Big, Discord on Moira, she's one. The Moira's gonna be pocketed.
Does Reaper no raid?
Alright, where's Reaper? Discord the
Oh, he has
Reinhardt.
no raid. I hear him.
They're in the air.
Reaper's on the line.
He's up.
Reaper's tell you behind. Reaper's tell you behind.
Pharah alone.
Reaper on Zen. Reaper's behind you, Ryan. You have no Zen. Behind you, Reaper. Behind you, Reinhardt. Reaper. On our Doom.
That Reaper was behind me.
Holy, he's just solo ulted me, dude.
It's fine. They have the cap off the Reaper. We can stop them. As soon as Pharah dies, they lose. It's literally how they work. With a kill Pharah, camp the body. Discord
I killed
Reaper.
her. She just got red.
Moira, can you get
Yeah,
out?
no,
Moira,
actually,
please.
like, we need to kill that Pharah. Just focus the Pharah. As soon as she dies, we win every fight.
I've got you.
Like,
I've got
guys,
you, soldier.
focus the Pharah.
Discord Ryan.
That's
Discord Pharah Discord half.
I need
On
health,
Pylon.
guys, please.
Reaper.
behind us.
Yeah, back it up.
Alright, we have Visor. It's fine. We
Guys,
win the
don't
fight
tell
with
me
Visor.
Please don't tell me
Okay,
the fight.
everyone damage on the Ryan shield, then Ryan, when the shield breaks when he drops
Like,
it,
why
I
are we
want
not
Ryan
running
to shatter.
goats, dude? Why don't we just run
Alright.
goats? We have 5
Yeah,
6.
against 5?
Can't change
Yeah, I
that.
think so too.
Why are we not running goats? It literally makes no sense. Use your brain, please. We're gonna win every brawl.
Alright, back out then. I'm 20 HP, we'll just run Zen goats.
Goats. Everybody switch your character.
No. Let Soldier ult first,
I'm gonna ult too. I'm gonna ult.
Break Ryan shield.
Reaper behind. Help.
Mono.
Dead.
Just keep it small.
He's discorded.
Break his shield.
Big. Soldier, I need you to
Oh
Visor
I'm
now.
just focused Pharah. I'm
Soldier.
I need more health because I keep dying because they keep breaking my health shield before they break yours. Theirs.
Big. We got the Reaper. Keep focusing shield.
Go.
Pharah dies next if you can. Then switch.
I literally cannot kill her with the mercy.
Alright,
that.
that's fine.
Dude, I'm just gonna keep the Pharah camp play.
Doom, after you ult will shatter. Put your ult directly on the Ryan if you can. Big. Free shatter.
Shatter!
Mercy resi.
There was nobody there anyway, dude.
Oh, I didn't know who was there. I just noticed the Reaper was the Ryan said.
What a fact. Alright.
Back up.
Spawn cap. Stay here. Stay right here.
Reaper.
Ryan's going around behind us. Ryan's coming behind us. The Ryan's coming behind us left side. Right side.
There's no way to get in here besides this one spot.
No, there's a way behind us where we rush them on.
Yeah, but they're not smart. Come on, let's hear it.
We don't know if they're smart or not.
Bottom is fucked. Yeah.
Discord on Pharah, half HP. They valve. Back out.
I got Pharah.
Then can you give me some health,
Where are you going
buddy?
around?
They have mercy
Go
health.
around.
Back out.
What is that?
Why are we all up there, dude?
I got you. Swing on them. Your swings are free, Ryan.
I just got
Back out.
soloed.
We don't have tramps.
I've got him.
Damage on this Ryan. Kill this Ryan. Free.
I kill him. He's dead.
Blossom. Big block. Big block.
Wow.
Fuck. He killed through Zarya barrier?
Yeah,
And
Go through my shield as well.
I did barrier or somebody. That's why I got so much charge right now.
Yeah, Reaper.
Stall out if you can.
We go on point, we go on point.
I have Soldier R.
Alright. I've got you, Zarya. Get
They're
up.
so low, guys. Alright, bro. What? Can I DPS?
Fine, right.
Big. Help our soldier.
Ryan's it.
Reaper retaliate. Reaper
going
retaliate.
down.
Reaper behind
Behind us,
us.
guys,
He's Discord.
behind
Kill him. No ghost form.
Come on, come on.
Big. Play corner. Play on the corner. Play on the
Fair.
corner. Play the corner. Discord on the bar. Play the corner. Play with Ryan.
Yeah, I kill her way from counters. I wanna get bombed.
Alright. Reaper cart.
Reaper guys, Reaper
No
behind
ghost
us.
form, Reaper cart. No focus form, Moira, Reaper cart. Come, pull back.
Put that.
Literally more is one. Literally more is actually.
Where's the Reaper's in? Reaper's in.
Reaper behind.
He's trying to blast me.
Oh shoot.
He can't do anything. Kill, focus Reaper.
I have no
Focus
damage,
Reaper.
guys. Like, I have no.
It's alright, regroup, I got bombed.
The
Can we shatter
damage
bomb?
is the fact that feeding Zarya tons of charge, and we've got a Zenyatta with Discord with the soldier
Can we
focus.
just shatter bomb here? Shatter bomb?
Oh my god.
Yeah, sure, we can do that.
Yeah, we're not doing any damage.
Discord the Ryan. Discord on
Guys,
Ryan.
the Reaper. Wait, let me explain to you guys. The Reaper's playing Reckless.
Oh, Reaper's wrong, guys.
Why did
We can't do anything. I can't bomb with that.
I thought it was behind me because the voice line made it sound like it was behind
Guys,
me.
I've actually had no game sense. Where's the game sense? Explain. I'm not gonna do it again.
Big bomb, break shield. Focus is
I got
fine.
mercy.
Discord. Moira backline. Discord. I killed him.
Oh, he's
It's even. Fight it. Die on card. Everyone die on card. You have to.
Heal me.
I need heals.
Play aggressive. I have bubble.
Reaper retaliate behind.
Reaper's behind us, guys.
Daggers.
He's top right. He's on the. It's where I'm shooting. Follow Zen orbs. Devo, come
Yeah,
back.
got him
Devo, come back. You're
set.
too low.
Reaper
Devo, come back. You're too low.
That's a winnable fight. I have grab.
No. But Diva's low as fuck.
Yo, bet you
got
won't
Reaper,
video
got
grab
Reaper.
that Pharah. But you
got
won't.
Reaper.
He healed up.
You
Nice.
won't body hit
No,
that
we kill
Pharah
Reaper.
with your grab.
This is winnable. Game's over.
Okay, now we can play a little more aggressive. I'm gonna stay on cart though, so I have Elo last on everyone.
I have Soldier R.
Okay. Far left side on pillar.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Far trying to spin the card out.
just put this
I see the Reinhardt and the Reaper.
Discord Ryan.
Reaper celebrating, guys.
What I say? Bear's one.
So you have orb, your Viper should be free.
I killed Pharah.
Big. Push the Moira.
Overextend.
More on a
Overextend.
fade.
Go on,
Do not
Moira's going
overextend.
behind us. Watch out. Moira's going behind us. I see her breathing in
I'm
the
playing
bookshelf.
cart. I'm playing cart.
Overextend.
More Discord. No fade. Discord.
Is that enough?
They lose.
That's game.
That was so close for no reason.
This would have been worse if we played goats though, because they would have farmed us off with Hafara, and we had nothing against Barrage.
I don't even know what happened. Let's just act like
The Reaper did all of the work for them. Because
Reaper is an anti-tank player.
this confused the fuck out of me because he killed through the Rhine shield and the Zarya bubble.
I don't know, maybe it broke something I didn't see.
Imagine if they had 6 people.
We'd
They
be
had
so
6
cool.
people. We could have. Was it? I don't
Be
know.
afraid to throw me the boat.